Hi, this is my friend Noah.
Hi. Today we're doing MrBeast things today.
Yeah. Okay, how do we open?
Why did MrBeast have to make this packaging too much, man?
So now we have ours open. He has the menu of all the 100 MrBeast toys you can get. This is the inside where you get your actual 2 animals. Let's experiment. First, open the cap. We have some fun explosion graphic. So this is supposed to fizz up after we pour the water in at this fill line. Let's go. And now I'm supposed to close it before it all explodes. Oh, it's fizzing. Oh, it's fizzing. And now you need to shake it violently.
2,000 years later.
Now let's open these. Ooh, gooey. Let's pour it in. And now let's open them up. Ooh, I got a monster toilet and I got an ice wolf creature.
Dinosaur pufferfish.
I love how the back of my toilet has slime and he has some monster teeth. And then this ice one is made of multiple colors because half of it is blue because of the arm. I think that's pretty cool.
Dinosaur basically looks like a beaker. Legs coming out, you know, and like the head exploding out, and the beaker's like. Pufferfish one is all mutated, I'd say. So yeah, I wonder what happened to it in the ocean.
And now we have some delicious Fortnite juice.
It's the slurp juice from
Yeah,
Fortnite.
the slurp juice.
Gross.
I'm just kidding, I'm not drinking it. Oh no.
Oh, don't do that.
It smells.
Oh!
Oh, it smells.
There we go. They honestly look more realistic being covered with all this goo. We're mutated.
Oh.
So, thanks for watching.
This is Tariq, this is Nolan, this is Carl, MrBeast, Chandler, and Chris.